Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna showing you how you can send your spam folder in Gmail. So what you're gonna do is go Gmail first to find your hidden spam folder. You have to just go straight left hand side of your Gmail, this line, and you'll find here more option. Click on this and then go to spam folder. You'll find here spam. Okay, so this is how you can do this. And another thing you can do this, if you still don't find your spam folder here, what you're gonna do this, go this settings icon, go see all settings, click on this, then go here labels, the second option, then search for spam. Okay, find it, this one. You can see here it is already shown. If you want to hide it, you can click on this and it will be hide. If you want to hide it, if you want to show it, click on show, it will be shown. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.